Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Yamaha YZF-R6S. This bike has got just a little over 13,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Got a lot of nice highlights and one imperfection that I found on it. So let's take our walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. It's got a taller clear windscreen on it. A little bit taller, a little bit wider. The tires on it are in excellent condition. They got a lot of miles left on them. It's got aftermarket grips and bar ends with adjustable levers, frame sliders, a tank pad, GYTR pipe, a modified rear fender, and here's the one imperfection I found on it. I found a little crack here on the rear of the tail. But that's really all I found on it. So, as you can see by the rear tire, that's in good shape. Got a lot of miles left on that. And again, tank pad, grips, bar ends, levers, frame slider. So, just really a sharp, clean looking bike. Gas cap cover. Show you those miles now. 13,135 is what's on it. This R6S will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.